Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. Today I am working on Halloween DIY craft kits, and I thought that you may like to see what I'm up to. I have these two cute Halloween kits that I picked up from, I believe, Dollar General. This one is to make a Halloween truck, and then these are Halloween houses. I have one of the truck and I have three of these houses to put together. I want to put the truck together first, so let me move this one aside. Here are the pieces for the truck. You get an instructions. Look at this. It's all visual. No words. My favorite. So one of these kit makes one truck, and it says no need of glue or scissors, but we'll see. I'm going to leave that right here so I have a reference. And then here are all the pieces I should have in my kit. Let's give this a try. So I've got an orange one. I believe these are all part of the truck here. Here's the truck. You got the pumpkin, the skulls, the tires, and then the other piece of the tire. Got the headlights and bats on this one. The bumper for the truck. Purple. I believe the purple are the door handles. And I have another orange piece and a black piece. Okay. It can't be that difficult, right? So the truck. And then I need this piece here. So I'm going to pop that out. Apparently they go like this. And this goes here. And this goes on the back side. Okay, I can do this. Maybe. I'm going to pop out this here. And this goes in here. Ah, there we go. And then I'll attach this side. Got that. Now I'll put this side back together. Okay, now I guess I can pop out the windows. I don't need that. I don't need these. Now I need this piece. No, I need this piece. Now they really should have made this color coded for people like me. So this goes here. Like that. And then this piece. Okay, so you got the longer piece and the short piece. So the short piece goes on top. And then this just gets bent down and fit the other puzzle in there. Oh, look. And then the top piece is this. So I have already abandoned this. It's just a lot easier to go with this one here. And then this goes on top. There we go. Look, we're almost done. Now I need to take this, and there's an adhesive on here. Peel that, and this goes on the front right there. Okay, I need the skull. So that's why you don't need a glue, because it's adhesive on these little pieces. So, and then this just goes in the front, center it there. There it goes. Now I need the lights. And then this goes like this. And I'm putting it on here, so I'm covering the orange tab, so I don't see the orange tab when I look at it like this. See? Now for the tires. This is my trash pile right here. So where's this? Peel. Okay, 4 tires. And then what I'll do, because I need the white pieces here for the tire also, I'm going to assemble this first and then attach it as one. So this gets centered on there. That one. Well, this is fun. And the last one. There we go, look. I have tires. Peel that off and then just put this on. Look at that. And the other side. And the last one. Pretty good, right? Look, I'm building a truck. Now, and these are the handles here, these purple pieces. And that one just kind of gets lined up with these orange pieces here, so it goes there. And this side. Look. Now for my bats. And they go here. And one more. And then I have the jack-o'-lantern. So it's only one-sided look, so I would paint that side if I, you know. So you have the jack-o'-lantern on both sides. Look, that was easy enough, right? How long did it take me? 3 hours? That is cute. I like it. I'm happy I picked that up. So the measurements for this truck, it is 5 3/4 inches long by 3.5 on the height. And then the width is what, 2.5 about. So yeah, look at this. Isn't that neat? A cute Halloween truck. I'm proud of it. I built a Halloween tree. And here is the one for the house. Look at this. It's a haunted house. Isn't that cute? So one kit makes one house. And then these are the instructions. And these are the pieces that comes with it. Let's see. So this is the base. And these orange pieces are the house. This is the roof. The pieces for the yard. Oh wait, no, this is the chimney. Parts of the chimney. I have bats and a rectangle piece. So this the doormat. And then the windows. See, these are the sides, right? And then these are the front and the back of the house. And this is the side of the house, so it goes like this. So here we go. Put the jigsaw house together. Okay, so again, if you want this to be permanent, put some glue on there, because if you wobble it, it comes apart. So now you take this and you attach it to the base, it looks like. Hook all the stuff out of here. Okay, put that down and then add in the house. And that just slides right in. So these pieces right here, these spots, that's the front of the house. Now, it says to add the roof also. Okay, and let's see, where's my chimney? There we go, and then I need the purple piece. I'm going to go ahead and attach the purple, this purple piece right here to the top here. So that one's done. And then, so the slits right here, right? So it goes this way. The roof, the side. That was simple. Okay, now I just got to make sure the purple faces forward on the house, so that goes here. Look. Now it is time to add in all the other pieces. Let me see, I need my door. Oh, let me get you the picture back in here so you can see. It's here, if I can get it off. Here we go. So the back goes on the tombstone. Like that. And then the door. Oh wait, I need the mat first. The mat goes centered front, see, like that, and then the door, it goes right above the mat, centered, like that. And then these are yellow bats. Okay. I need the windows. I need an arch one. See, I'm going to do this next. Right above the door on each side like that. And then the round window. There we go. So, and then on the side, right, we got two of these arch windows stacked. So, put one up there. Put the other one here. Look. And then this side. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. This is the front of the house. The side, the back. Okay, now I need to add in the tombstone, which goes right here. Oh, I pulled the house out of the ground. Hold on. And then the jack-o'-lantern. See there? And then I need my bats. The bats get adhered to the roof. It looks like there's one right here. Well, I imagine you can just put the bat wherever you want. You don't have to do as they say. There we go, look. Isn't that cute? It's a cute haunted house. That is quite adorable, right? A cute haunted Halloween house. So let's measure this right quick. So the house itself is 3 1/4 across. And the height is 5 inches. So 3.5 this way and 5 inches up. But if you want to count the base that it comes with, what about 4 1/4? But how cute. Now I imagine you can use this as a pattern if you want a pattern and create them in all different colors, right? It is cute. I like it. Now I need to go ahead and build the other two I have. Here are my new haunted houses. Look at this. I like them. I'm quite happy with the way they turned out. I mean, they're all the same, but they're adorable, right? I like them. So on my haunted houses, I decided to go ahead and glue the house together. So I did I glued the roof, the walls, and I glued it to the base. Now my additional pieces out here, these are not glued down. These are just, you know, I can take these out and switch these out if I like. I plan on using my haunted houses in a cute little village, maybe for my gnomes. I'm not sure yet, but I will set something up for them and display it that way. But I like them. They're really, really cute. So that's my haunted homes. And then here's my spooky Halloween truck. Look at that. Gorgeous. Now, the scale on these two, look at that. It is spooky, right? So I will display my truck in a different display. I will probably stick like a skeleton in there. That'll be cute, right? Maybe I will put my truck in a tier tray and display it that way. But how cute. I like it. And then I will probably go ahead and paint this side. So, you know, cover those words up and put a face on there too. But look at this. How cute. I think the truck is sturdy enough. We don't have to glue it together because the tabs are large enough to hold it together. But if you like, you can always glue these pieces together also. But adorableness, I love the way they turned out. I hope that you are able to pick up some Halloween kits this year and put them together and have some fun. Involve the whole family. Have a spooky moment. And then, of course, you get to display all your new craft projects for the Halloween season. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.